there's this tribalistic organization bayibitsa hore ke Grateful Lobby Group.
le Xhosa le tseneletse kgotla Batswana.
So the organization ngihlangane nayo yesterday when they were telling this Zulu lady ukuthi tshwanetse re akhotlele back to KZN yangithola. However, this organization is not just tribalistic ukuthi it hates amaZulu, it also hates amaXhosa and amaVenda yangithola. And not only like ama tribes, ayincanywa abantu nje from different provinces yabo.
Malimpopo Magauteng Malimpopo
provinces yabo, telling abantu base Limpopo ukuthi they must go back to Limpopo, abantu base Gauteng and abantu base Eastern Cape and KZN yangithola. Batho ba bari Northwest is only for Batswana yabo, and Batswana in language and in culture yangithola. So mengicheka le organization, it seems ukuthi they are under investigation by amaphoyisa wase Northwest ngoba bababiza ngokuthi they are I tender mafia yangithola. So this tender mafia, what it does is it uses tribalism as like a means of getting what they want yabo. So they go to ama government businesses and ama businesses nje in general, in which they know ukuthi some of my employees or the owner of that company is not from a Northwest or mutho abu wisitswana yangithola. So batho ba mebafika kula organizations, they use violence to intimidate labantu laba ukuthi they must give them ama-tender or they must give them 40% of what they make from lawo ma companies yabo. So if these people refuse ukuthi bazobabhatala 40% of their income or bazoba nikeza i-tender, labantu laba only then do they pull the tribal and the provincial card yangithola. Ngoba njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it's not, they don't just hate people based on tribe. Even if you phuma from a different province bayaxosha yangithola. Operation Dudula nje mara yama South Africans. So obvious that thing bengisha nje ukuthi it must act like as a means ukuthi you must never allow abantu abakanje i-Grateful Lobby Group to divide abantu, you understand? Ngoba obvious thina like abantu we've been united and isebenza better when we work together vele ngithola. Even from umkhonto wesizwe sisonke in the camps, not as amaZulu or amaPedi or amaNdebele, besingabantu, you understand? Even naku Abla in the camps eLibya besingabantu. Even abantu laba noma bafika 1976 eSoweto killing abantwana, bebangabulali abeZulu or amaXhosa or amaNdebele or amaVenda, bebabulala abantu, you understand? Even ase-Sharpeville massacre, labantu laba bebangatheki like a specific tribe, batheka abantu, you understand? So as abantu, it's very important to rekopane yangithola, singabhizi divide abantu abakanje ngoba even this Grateful Lobby Group akusi group ehot, understand? Ukuthi ngendlela engayo as a tribal group kuba easy ukuthi be supported abantu from that specific tribe yabo, mara laba bantu are not like a majority of abantu of that specific tribe yabo. So we must never allow abantu abakanje to deter the bigger picture of uthina as abantu tshwanetse rekopane bafethu yangithola. Kumele sihlangane, singa allow izinto ezikanje sizikhiphe eceleni yangithola.